DBK Public School News Studio for April and May month's news bulletin before the summer vacation begins. The end of the term is always an exciting time in the school. Whereas we naturally celebrate the achievements of the month gone. We have had much to celebrate these past months, mainly the normalcy after settling down of the new admissions and welcoming our new school team members. I am Vasundhara from grade 9th ABLE and I will be presenting the highlights of happenings of the school of April and May month. The top bulletins are: success is sweet result of hard work combined with the desire to excel and unfailing dedication. On 31st March 2023, DBK Public School announced its annual result. Students achieved their expectations. On behalf of our school faculty, principal, headmistress congratulated every student who has made us proud. As part of a CC activity, our school organized life skill activity. My name is me on 8th April 2023. The aim of the activity was to improve the three domains of development of a child, that is, cognitive, emotive and psychomotor. Life skills are important areas of learning for kids. This set of skills guides children in knowing the difference between right and wrong and effectively allows them to get by in life. World Health Day was celebrated by DBK Public School on 7th April 2022 to draw attention to a specific health concern to people. DBK Public School never leaves a stone unturned. It cares for its students' mental and physical health. Each year, by celebrating World Health Day, school is trying to draw attention to certain health concerns and topics to students and people all around the world. Exceptional achievements in International Mathematics Science Olympiad and Haryana Gaurav Puraskar. It is a proud privilege for DBK Public School to announce that students of grade 3 to 10 secured the top positions at international and state level in International Mathematics Olympiad, Science Olympiad level 1 and 2 and Haryana Gaurav Puraskar. It is an honor for the school to have such achievers. We appreciate the hard work and dedication on the part of the child and his parents and congratulate them for the same.
Baisakhi celebration. With this spirit, the DBK Public School Nirvana celebrated Baisakhi with gusto and religious fervor. A special assembly was conducted by the students to welcome the harvest season. The students highlighted the religious and cultural significance of the festival is an enlightening speech. The motive behind the celebration was to apprise the student of the rich culture and heritage of Punjab. The principal, Ms. Rita Walia, conveyed her best wishes to all and blessed everyone with the bounty of the season and harvest of joy and prosperity. CC activity, My Handwriting, My Pride. To make students aware that handwriting is very important skill and to emphasize the importance of good handwriting, CCA My Handwriting, My Pride was conducted on 29th April. For class 1st to 10 students, students took part in the competition with zeal and enthusiasm to present their best handwriting. Students were judged on their specific parameters and were applauded for their splendid efforts. The preschool section of our school celebrated Blue Day. It was a very pleasant and cool blue day for tiny tots. The parent orientation program cum PTM is usually held once every year to bring the parent up to the speed about their child progress as well as give them an idea of teaching techniques. DBK Public School conducted an orientation program for parents of class nursery to 10th. On 30th April 2023, Ms. Rita Walia, the principal, emphasized upon the need of the active and meaningful interaction between the parents and the teachers for the holistic development of the child.
World Earth Day was celebrated on 22nd April 2023 in DBK Public School. Various activities conducted by the students of different classes to make the earth pollution free. As a step towards inspiring, educating and motivating children to act as a special assembly was held by the students of DBK Public School to celebrate Earth Day. The celebration helps students to learn a simple yet clear that we should keep our environment clean and we should plant more and more trees for making active progress to restore our Earth's natural ecosystems. And message of the assembly was beautifully manifested through thoughts, role play and poetry performances and various activities for students such as nature craft, clay workshop, sapling plantation, seed bombing, drawing, etc. so that they understand the need to restore Earth's environment. Birthday celebration. DBK Public School took a very good initiative of trees plantation. School students have been asked to plant at least one sapling on their birthdays. Each member of DBK Public School family will plant a sapling on his/her birthday, as every part of tree is beneficial in some other way. What else could be better than planting a tree on someone's birthday? The trees are planted in the ground or any vacant space in the school area. This decision to plant trees inside the campus has been taken so that the students and teachers are able to develop a sense of responsibility and engage with nature.
Mother's Day. On the special occasion of Mother's Day, CC activity was organized. Mother is not only the support of the family but the bigger warrior also. To instill the affection and gratitude among their children, organized a CC session on Mother's Day, May 13. The student prepared handmade cards to gift their mothers, where student created card for their mother with the beautiful title, "I love my mom." This activity allows students to express their love for their mother in the personalized way. DBK Public School, in collaboration with the Forest Department Nirvana, under the guidance of Forest Range Officer Mr. Ashwini, organized a lifestyle of environment and program by hosting and thrilling a slow cycle race and drawing competition on 20th May 2023, Saturday. DBK Public School has achieved a remarkable feat by attaining a 100% pass percentage in grade 10 board examination. The outstanding achievement is the testament the hard work and academic excellence of the students at Dhruv scored a wonderful 93%, Payal scored a wonderful 80% and Sahil scored a wonderful 87%.
Dribbling activity was organized by DBK Public School for preschool kids to improve their eye-hand coordination and emotional release. It helps students in developing free-writing skills of tiny thoughts as they need time to start writing letters or shape. Meditation is the practice of thinking deeply in silence. In order to make the mind calm, DBK Public School included meditation in assembly to enhance efficiency and ability of brain. When meditation is practiced regularly, it leads to a decrease in our stress levels in everyday life. It gives a boost to our feelings of happiness and calmness. The students were taught the benefits of meditation regarding calm mind, good concentration, better clarity, improved communication and emotional stability. Every student prepared themselves for PT1 examination with the help of class teacher and subject teacher as they participated in the competition. DBK Public School has organized a fun water park trip for the students of classes 1 to 10. The students are extremely excited to reach the destination. Hope they will have fun and frolic. DBK Public School had done a lot and need to be done much more to meet your expectation. We shall meet after summer vacation with new news and happenings. Please visit our school's official YouTube, Instagram and Facebook page to keep update with our school happenings and news. Thanks a lot for watching.